farm. It's a very nice morning. We brought the kids quickly to see the animals. Beautiful farm here. The Heritage Bakery in Wilderness. Viewing some animals, chickens. And see, they are very excited. Children love the animals. Let's see what Hunter and Lisa is doing. Wat sien jy hierso? Hoenders. Little baby chickens. Kyk Huntertjie, dis nog hoender. Ja, ek wil nie van wat ek op 'n klein rivier hoor. Hulle beklei nie, hulle soek 'n maatjie. Nee, die hoendertjies Hunter. Hulle soek maatjies hierso. Kyk die babietjies, kyk hier Hunter. Mama took sulke baba hoenders gehad. Mom also had this little small chickens when we were in Johannesburg, but we sold the house there, and then we didn't have chickens anymore. Beautiful little chicken.
Hulle almost uitgekom.
That one decided to shave her head. I don't know why, but she did it.
Mom burnout.
Yeah, I think she's very tired. The children is keeping her busy. She must search for food like a mom does, protect the young, and
she didn't have
she's
time to
pulling
do
her
her
hair
hair.
out. Right? She's pulling her hair out. But that's part of life. That's why there's mothers to look after. If it was a father, I think he would have had no feathers anymore. He would have been very calm.
Okay, let's go
and
down.
this is the dad. I assume this is the dad. That one there. But it looks like he has a few wives, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 wives for one rooster. That is crazy. Hunter, what do you think?
I don't go do die llamas so gaan.
Okay, let's go check the llamas. Ons gaan kyk na die llamas. Sissie, kom papa wys jou. Kom. Let's see the llamas.
Kom, hulle gaan nie kyk.
Hunter, let's see. There's a few llamas here. Let's see what they have to say to us. Good morning, little llama. How are you today? Do you have anything to say? Yeah? The people are listening. What do you have to say? Nothing. That is very rude. You must always speak to people when they speak to you. You do not ignore people, please. There's the other llama. You have the little chickens there. There's a rooster. Yeah, that one has nice hair. Oh, he combed his hair very nicely, his feathers. Look, this one. Let me give you a close up. Look at that hair. Yo. Now they went to the parlor, I will say, eh?
No,
They really look good.
look at the wet one.
Look this one. Looks like this one had a nice hairdo, Hunter.
Look at this one.
Very nice hairdo. I think they are in the upper class area of the farm. I think they are the rich ones here.
Funnier.
Look at the hair.
Papa, this is funnier.
Sure, it looks like they're going to horse riding or something. I don't know. Competitions. Sure. Posing like crazy, eh? Let's see these llamas. Also, the hair is done beautifully. I think it's
Papa.
okay, this one I don't think he's in the wrong cage. His comb is skew. You're in the wrong place. You need to go to the other side. You're in the wrong fence. You cannot jump fences here. This is the wrong place for you. Okay, what do we have here, Hunter? Let's see.
Hy is nie lood nie van my plaat.
Oh, we have a little dwergbokkie, little buck. Hello. Hello. What do you have to say? Nothing. What do you have to say? Vat hom, Hunter. Touch him. Touch him, Hunter.
Hy is so sleep.
Here's a better one. Yeah, your comb looks nice and straight. I think you are in the right place. Proud of yourself, eh? And your wife. Very nice. Then we have a nice little black goat there as well. A beautiful farm here at the Heritage Bakery. Let's go this side.
Kom hier.
There's a nice restaurant at the Heritage Bakery. Yes, very nice. What is your mother and Lachey doing, Ante? Let's see. Now we're going to the place next door. After this one. You see, this is small. The ones that doesn't have nice perms and stuff. You see, the cage is smaller. The chickens. That's when the thing. When you have money, you can do the hair, do the perms, everything like the previous chicken cage. But these ones, the middle class, I think. Must be, I don't know. But always nice, as long as you are happy in life, then doesn't matter. Be happy with yourself. Like this little chicken. Okay, let's go, family. Let's go. Okay, so this is chicken that is for sale. Ante, at the Heritage Bakery, small chicken cage. This one is for sale, I think. Yeah, inquire inside for the price. Yeah, so it's for sale, that one. And there is a small rabbit. Did you see this? Heb hom gesien? Let's see what he's eating. He's also for sale. He's hiding now. Hunter, and then here's the little ducks. What is the ducks doing? Swimming in the little bathtub. Jump. Nice. Jump. Nice. Beautifully done. Wat dink jy, Hunter? What do you think?
There's more animals, I think, up here.
What is up there? A nice swing to overlook the farmyard. Let's see, sit down, Hunter. So we are at Timber Lake. We're going to have a nice cappuccino and maybe eat a piece of cake. I don't know, we will see. The farm was nice, but let's see what they have in store for us. Oh, that's nice. They put a new fountain here. Yeah. Wat sê jy? What? Oh, see, there's no crocodiles, my love. It's just a beautiful fountain. Hunter, let's go. And you can sit nicely on the cowboy seats. Nice restaurant. You have all your different cakes, rocky roads, cheesecakes. This is how you want to have a nice holiday, right? Really how you want to have your holiday. Oh, it looks like the family is ready to order something. Hunter, is you hunger? Are you hungry, my friend?
Yes, they put this off eating here when they eating beans, aspless, and then there's really office here.
Yeah, and you, Lachey? What do you sing? Oh, very nice. Yoo-hoo.
Papa,
Where? Where?
Yeah.
Higher.
Yeah.
Higher.
Yes.
Higher.
Yes.
Hunter is going to do the slide for us, the zip line.
Mom, I'm going to do this thing.
Yeah, the zip line. Okay, hardloop om. Run around. I'll get you that side. Gaan.
Mm. Who was that? How was that?
Papa, that was Bola.
Let's see if Hunter can do it 2 times or 3 times. Ah, only 1. Try again. Let's see if Hunter can do it. Let's see if you can balance. Stand up. Stand up straight. Okay, nice. You didn't touch the lava. These are little shops here in Timberlake. It's almost like a small cowboy town that's going on here. Just near the head, but let me show you. Nice pottery. Very nice. Look at how nice this is. A cup with flowers in it. Very nice. Ornament. This is funny. A lady holding a duck with a candle on her head. Interesting.
I'm swimming.
Oh, it's all the adventures they have here, eh?
I'm not
Very
swimming,
nice.
Jimmy.
Hunter always takes these books and then it's just laying around in the house. All the different shops. What is this? Mohair. Ah, okay. Mohair shop. I'm making different mohair. This is the restaurant where we had a cappuccino. The Oak Barrel wine shop. Let's see how it looks. Here you can buy crafted beers, wines. Hello. How nice is this? This is now moonshine.